Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the Microsoft Edge search box text on your Microsoft Edge browser. So let's just say we open up Edge here and you notice that if you open up a new tab, it says search or enter web address. If you want to turn that off, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And we're going to go and jump right into it. And we're going to start by closing out of the Edge browser. And then you want to go open up the start menu, type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should come back a registry editor. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong you could easily restore it back. In order to create the backup, it's very simple. Just go ahead and left click on the file tab, select export. For file name, I would normally suggest naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Export range should be selected to all and then save it to a convenient location on your computer. So pretty straightforward process of how to create the backup, and then if you ever needed to restore it back, just would left click on the file tab and then import and then navigate over to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward. And now we're ready to begin. So first thing you want to do is delete the information in the top address bar. So if this is computer, you want to delete it. And now in the description video, I'm going to have a path that I want you guys to copy. It starts with HK current user. And then right click inside of the address bar once you've cleared out whatever's in here and select paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard. So basically it's just a shortcut to getting to our registry location. And now you want to go copy a DWORD value. I'm going to have in the description of the video. The first one starts with HideAddressBoxPlaceholderTextOnStartPage. So just right click in a blank area on the right side, select new, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. I'm going to paste in the first DWORD value here, hit enter on your keyboard, and now I'm going to do the same thing for the second command I have in the description of the video. The second DWORD value I have in the description of the video, I'm going to paste that in as well. This is HideAddressBoxPlaceholderText on new tab page. Hit enter. You want to double click on both of these values and change the value data to 1. So delete the 0, type the number 1, select OK. Do the same thing for the other one here. Select OK on that one as well. So now once you have done that, you should be able to go ahead and just close out of the registry. And then if we reopen the Edge browser, and let's say we want to open up a new tab, you notice there's no longer any text in there. And then if you also had the start page default on Microsoft Edge, which I don't use on my computer, but if you did, you notice there would be no information on that as well. It would be an empty box. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.